All right, budget-friendly pasta today. This suits students, it feeds a family, nice and cheap, fairly tasty, I would say. So what we've got is we're using hot dogs. You can use any type you want. I'm using a chicken one, tomatoes, onion. That's about it. A few other little bits and pieces. Super easy, this one, and nice and cheap. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. All right, let's have a look then, shall we? So look, in the center, I'm using spaghetti. You can use any sort of pasta you want, penne, fusilli, up to you. 4 cups of cooked pasta. 1 can of 400 ml, a regular size can of tomatoes. They were a whole plum tomato, just crushed them up with my hand. I've got some chicken franks here, or hot dogs. They were in a frozen packet. There's 10 of them. There's about 3 cups worth there. Use chicken, use pork, use beef, use whatever you want, use veggie ones, up to you. Tablespoon of garlic, cup of onions, cup of cheddar cheese, or if you want a different cheese, you could use Philly in this, like a soft cheese, works really well in it. And then simply a teaspoon salt, pepper, and dried oregano. Let's get to the cooker. So you're going to need a wok or a large skillet or something like that, some sort of pan. Here we go. In there I'm using sunflower oil. Again, a different oil works well. 3 tablespoons I've got there. I've just put the heat on. The heat's on above medium. We're going to drop in that onion, 1 cup. We're going to drop in a tablespoon of chopped garlic. 4 minutes, keep it moving. Lovely stuff. Next up, we're going to drop in the sausage. Like I said, I've got a chicken one here. This is actually a spicy one as well. But yeah, that's neither here nor there, is it? So like I say, these are a frozen pack of 10. And yeah, you can use whatever ones you want. Like, you can just get them in water sometimes, can't you? In a jar in water. So drain them off and just slice them up, or use a different sausage completely. Here we go. Salt, pepper. I'm using oregano, or oregano as many of you call that. Now these sausages are cooked. We're not cooking them, we're just sort of heating them up really. We're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes on this fairly vibrant heat, and again stirring fairly often. We've nearly done it, unbelievably. It's super quick. So simply 1 can, 400 ml, regular size can of tomatoes. They were whole, just crushed them up roughly. Again, 5 to 6 minutes this time, stirring every now and then. Job done. All right, next up we're going to add the cheese. 1 cup of cheese. I've got cheddar cheese. Put any cheese you like in, like I say, like a Philadelphia soft cheese works in here. Parmesan if you want, mozzarella. Just going to add a little kind of creaminess to it. We're just going to stir that in. You can see it changing colour. Gives it a nice kind of creaminess there. And then I'm going to be adding my pasta in. You could be pouring your sauce on if you want, but I'm going to go in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go for about 3 minutes. I'll be working the sauce into the pasta. All right, there you go, really simple. If you want a bit of chili in there, some olives in there, maybe some sweet corn, bulk it out a bit with some other stuff, but that's it. Nice, simple, budget, family friendly, tasty, little spaghetti. See you later, bye. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.